Hi students, welcome to 5th grade social studies. This is where you are going to be working all throughout the year to be learning our social studies content. In the first folder, I have posted my email address. If you are working at home and have a question, please use my email address to contact me so I can read your question and get back with you. The second folder, technology tips and troubleshooting. We will be working together in class on the information that's in this folder. However, the folder is going to stay here all year long, so if ever you had questions or you needed to go back to it, you could do that. You can see that in social studies, we are going to be working on 8 different units. At the beginning of each unit, I will introduce that unit in class. Once I've made the introduction, you will start working week by week to complete the assignments. You're going to work at your own pace. You'll be working in class and at home. Each week, there will be 1 or 2 assignments that will have due dates. On this page, on the right-hand side where it says upcoming, this is something you're going to want to pay attention to all year long, because it tells you that on a specific date, this is the assignment that is due. At the end of each unit, I will post an FDOL to check in for your learning and understanding of the social studies content. So that's what social studies will be this year.